Excellency Prime Minister Pham Minh Chinh, Excellencies, distinguished ministers, ambassadors, invited guests, good afternoon. As this landmark fourth summit concludes, I wish to convey our profound gratitude to the government and people of the Socialist Republic of Vietnam for their warm hospitality and meticulous organization in hosting this important summit. This gathering has been more than a meeting of minds. It has been a rallying point for our collective resolve to accelerate green growth, foster innovative partnerships, and deliver on the promise of the Sustainable Development Goals. Over the past few days, we have witnessed the power of unity in diversity. Governments, businesses, and civil society coming together to catalyze action in clean energy, the circular economy, climate-smart agriculture, and inclusive development. Ultimately, this Hanoi Summit has shown that even small, well-integrated P4G projects can drive meaningful impact and hold strong potential for scaling. Ethiopia is deeply honored to receive the torch and assume the responsibility of hosting the 5th P4G Summit in 2027. We embrace this opportunity with determination and an unwavering commitment to build on the inspiring legacy of Vietnam, Colombia, Denmark, and the Republic of Korea. Guided by P4G's core principles of partnership, innovation, inclusivity, and action, Ethiopia's 2027 summit will spotlight green industrialization, climate-resilient agriculture, and the empowerment of youth and women as essential agents of change in the green transition. Though Ethiopia remains among the countries most vulnerable to climate change, we are also among the most committed. We have set an ambitious course toward a climate-resilient, net-zero economy by 2050, aligned with Agenda 2030 and the African Union Agenda 2063. Our climate-resilient green economy strategy, the Green Legacy Initiative, and our expanding renewable energy portfolio reflect our dedication to this vision. But no country can confront the climate crisis alone. The path forward demands collective leadership and urgent action. Ethiopia has been a result in the commitment of the ideals and objectives of the P4G partnership and has proudly contributed to the platform since its inception in 2018. We believe in its unique value as a bridge between public policy and private sector innovation. Through collaborative projects in food systems, renewable energy, resilient cities, and the circular economy, we have seen what is possible when we work together. As a founding P4G member and partly to key climate agreements, Ethiopia remains committed to advancing green recovery and sustainable development. In this spirit, I fully support the Hanoi Declaration put forward by the government of Vietnam. As we depart Hanoi, let us carry with us the spirit of partnership, the momentum of ambition, and the conviction that green growth is not a distant goal, but a shared imperative. I extend my sincere congratulations to the government of Vietnam for successfully hosting this summit and for its exemplary contributions to a green and more inclusive world. In closing, I invite all of you to visit the land of origins, the birthplace of coffee, and a country that is taking practical steps to address climate change through the world's largest afforestation program. I thank you.
Xin chào cảm ơn Ngài Abiy Ahmed Ali, Thủ tướng nước Cộng hòa Dân chủ Liên bang Ethiopia.